Now we'll take a stop in Spain. We will hear from a company called DEXMA, and over to you, Daniel.
Yeah, thanks so much to Elering for preparing this pilot. I will be very quick on my presentation, so I will start sharing my screen right now. Perfect. So now you will be seeing right now my screen, right?
Yes, we see your screen.
Okay. Perfect. So my name is Daniel Uches. I'm the product director at DEXMA. So I basically try to build the best products possible, trying to solve problems in the energy transition in order to help people and organizations to understand and optimize their energy usage, right? So this is our mission. And we believe that the future of energy is digital. And we are actually building it at least one building at a time, right? So DEXMA right now handles around 80,000 buildings around the world, mainly located in 30 countries, mainly Europe. And we have around 500,000 of data readings collected every 15 minutes. Everything around consumptions and productions and all that kind of stuff. And we do sell our service to utilities, to ESCOs, and as well to enterprise and customers that they consume a lot of energy. And of course, in this sustainability era, let me say it like this, they are all focused on how to be more efficient, how to try to be more, let's say, friendly with our planet, right? So basically, our service, it's combined by three products, three steps, what we call the energy intelligence journey. It all starts with the first step, which is detecting how efficient you are, and we do so by performing on-site audits, remote audits in this COVID area where on-site actions are not allowed or are very difficult. We are getting a lot of traction thanks to our remote technology. So you can actually virtually create your own energy audit with DEXMA Detect. Then let's say that you can understand how efficient you are, right? So if you can save 20%, 30%, 50%, or nothing at all. In the case that you can save energy and there is a good business behind, then you move to analyze and to optimize. Analyze is a traditional energy management system. You can track data in real time. You can verify savings, etc. And optimize, it's our latest introduction to this journey, our latest product. And it's basically automating your energy management. And that was the focus of the pilot, right? So we introduced a lot of data from one of our utilities. And we're very powerful in terms of data insertion, right? So we get data from all different hardware manufacturers, all different protocols, and even we do integrate a lot with data lakes. So big utilities, enterprises, ESCOs, more and more, they have their own databases based on Google Cloud, Amazon, or Azure. So we do get the data directly from there. And in that pilot as well, the challenge was to integrate with another data source from the European Data Hub, right? And one of our differentiators is the data analytics and the artificial intelligence. Without AI, we believe that you cannot optimize your consumption. And that's what we've proven with this pilot, right? So the EU Data Hub pilot that was performed together with Ignitis, we gathered data from close to 200 SME customers, not very big customers, but it was like their profile of typical customers. It was accounting for a total of 427 data points. A data point is a data string of energy, for instance, active energy, reactive energy, or solar PV production. We got an historical of 1 year data. So this is around 3.7 million data readings that we had to process into our platform. And the good thing is that the whole account, so around 200 SME customers, was created and was up and running in less than 1 hour. So this gives you a sense of the speed of this new era, right? So it's very easy when you have the data in a data hub, then just put it up, run, and create value instantaneously for your customers, right? The objective for the pilot was to test DEXMA Optimize, which is the automated energy management system based on artificial intelligence. So it actually, basically, it's like a robot that we train with your historical data, and then we detect anomalies with your real consumption. Okay, so on overall, I have here a few insights. Per customer, the average per customer, we got 63 anomalies in 1 year. This is almost like 5 anomalies per month. This means that Ignitis, as a utility now, he understands that their customers are having trouble with the consumption, so they can proactively contact them and try to offer more professional services or more portfolio services, so they can get more revenue at the same time that they are trying to optimize their customers, right? The worst anomaly, or the top anomaly that was detected, was around 1,000 kilowatt hours, around 138 euros. The average anomaly was around 28 euros. In total, if we do aggregate in only 200 SME customers, and Ignitis has thousands of them, we detected a potential savings of around 345,000 euros. But that would be converted into more than 1,000 CO2 emissions avoided if we do finally achieve, if we do finally save energy with that customers. So showing you the product itself, as I told you, DEXMA has 3 products: detect, analyze, and optimize. And the objective for that demo was to focus only on optimize. So we introduced the data, we ran the algorithms, it was very quick. And actually we got the list of the total anomalies that was detected by the system, right? So here you have a list segmented by your customer. This is a global view, but we have all the different customers here. We could be filtering that. And you have a table that says, where is that customer belonging to? This is a number that we place in order to avoid problems with the data confidentiality. And then the impact of this anomaly, how much energy was being overconsumed, the economic impact, very important. When was that performed? That anomaly was taking place on the this is June the 20th, and it was rating by 13 hours. So you can then click here, and the system will give you the detail of this anomaly, right? So the system is actually understanding how you're consuming, how is that customer consuming, and when we detect something weird, something strange, in that case, this is Saturday, and the pattern should be the one shown in light blue, but the reality is that that consumption was a bit higher, right? So we evaluate this as an anomaly, and we can now start working that, right? So you can share it with your customer, you can add comments, you can propose a solution for that anomaly, right? And we can move maybe to the next one, that it's very nice, I think. It's like the typical anomaly when someone left open a permanent consumption over the weekend. So this is very easy now to detect with DEXMA Optimize, and then to try to reduce that amount of energy consumed. Okay, so that's it. It's just 5 minutes to show what we did. Of course, we were working a lot of hours with Ignitis, but that's like the quickest summary that I could be doing.
Very clear demonstration, and great to see also the what your customers would see. So we have some questions in the chat. First question from Vanessa: does DEXMA have a need for real-time data or historical data, or is historical data sufficient?
Well, actually, 90% of our customers, they start with a very few historical data, and we only need real-time data to start working with the platform. In order to train the models, it's a good recommendation to have at least 3 to 6 months of data. In that case, was really nice because from Ignitis, we got 1 year of historical data to train the models. But DEXMA actually as a platform can work with both real-time or historical data.
Which is, what does an anomaly mean in the real world? What kind of event might an anomaly be?
For instance, when you left open the HVAC, or a typical one, it's that the HVAC control system got corrupt. So the schedules that you had projected for the next week are not being applied. So then the DEXMA optimizes the text that and pushes an anomaly to the customer, for instance.
Very good example. So thank you so much.